Your automation strategy shouldn't be a black box that controls your data. It should be a transparent engine that you own. Since the launch of version 2.0 in early 2026, n8n has evolved from a popular linear automation tool into a sophisticated AI orchestration layer. With over 48,000 stars, it has become the go-to platform for developers who want to balance the speed of low-code drag-and-drop with the deep extensibility of pure code. The real shift in n8n 2.0 is its native integration with the LangChain ecosystem. You can now build autonomous agents that reason, use tools, and maintain persistent memory directly within your workflows. Any existing n8n automation can be designated as a tool, allowing an AI to decide exactly when to look up a record in Postgres or send a notification to Slack. This version also introduced isolated task runners, boosting performance by 10 times, while ensuring that your custom Python or JavaScript code remains secure and separated from the main application. For mission-critical tasks, n8n offers a seamless human-in-the-loop feature. Workflows can pause to ask for human approval or clarification before moving forward with sensitive actions like financial transfers. Because n8n follows a fair code model, you have the choice to use their managed cloud or self-host the entire platform on your own hardware for total data sovereignty. Teams choose n8n because of its hybrid flexibility. You can use visual nodes for 80% of your plumbing handling API authentication and webhooks, while injecting custom logic for the remaining 20% of complex reasoning. Whether you are building an AI-powered support system or an autonomous DevOps agent, it provides a professional-grade environment with Git-style version control and over 400 native integrations. Stop settling for rigid automation and start orchestrating intelligence on your own terms. You can explore the extensive documentation at docs.n8n.io or visit the repository at github.com/n8neo/n8neo. Build, scale, and own your AI workflows with the world's most flexible orchestration powerhouse. If this breakdown helped you understand the architecture behind the code, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button. It's a small click for you, but it's the primary signal that tells YouTube this engineering content belongs in more developers' feeds. We're on a mission here at Blueprint Bytes to simplify the most complex systems. To join the build, hit subscribe. By joining us, you're making sure you never miss a deep dive into the open source tools shaping the future. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one repository or engineering concept that's been living rent-free in your head lately? Drop a comment below. I use your suggestions to curate every single quick look we produce. Finally, if you know a fellow dev or student who's struggling with this topic, share this video. Let's keep engineering simple and accessible for everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next bite.